Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Planet Shaper is installed, drivers updated, and at least 4 GB RAM available. Next, create a new world, set the planet radius, map resolution, and a reproducible seed so you can iterate. Once done, enable autosave at 5-minute intervals and configure quick export to 2048 x 2048 PNG for previews. This saves time when testing. These steps get you into the editor immediately, so you can sculpt rather than troubleshoot basic setup. You now sculpt the planet. Pick brush modes for adding, subtracting, and smoothing terrain, and set strength between 0, 3 and 0, 7 for controlled strokes. While shaping elevation, tweak biome sliders, temperature, moisture, and elevation, and preview them at 50% opacity so you can see overlaps. Once comfortable, add rivers and vegetation on separate layers. Lock any layer when finished to prevent accidental edits. Doing this keeps changes reversible and helps you balance visual detail with performance. You finalize by baking final assets, normals, ambient occlusion, and a height map with 16 samples for clean results. Then export your planet as a PNG height map, OBJ mesh, and a 2K texture atlas so it's ready for engines or renders. If seams or shading errors appear, rebake normals and check layer blending and UV seams. Often a single rebake fixes artifacts. Make sure to test the imported mesh in your target engine at the intended scale before calling the job complete.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.